In this video, we're going to install the Midnight Forest fly rod locker to the side of this bed rack. So all bed racks have different slot sizes. We come with 3/8 bolts in our kit, which these fit. If your rack has 5/16 slots or 1/4 inch slots, that's fine. Any hardware store will have any size carriage bolt you need. So it's going to take 4 bolts, 2 into each mount, and they're just going to go down the center channel of the fly rod locker. So we're going to insert our 3/8 bolts right in here, and then 2 in the front. And we're just going to take that center channel, put it where I want it, and then we're going to take these lock panels. I'm going to go over the bolts, and then washer and nut tighten them down. All right, bolt panel over the top, washer and nut. It's that simple. You're bolted on, and now this is optional, but for security purposes, we have these lock plates that cover up the bolts so they cannot be removed. So you're just going to take the lock plate, put it over the 2 bolts, insert your cylinder lock, and there you go.